Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a super simple, easy way to clean your oven racks. These are the before of my oven racks. They weren't terrible, but definitely needed a little bit of TLC. So I started with some Easy Off. I just gave that can a good old shake and started spraying everywhere. And then I left them outside to sit for 24 hours. I would definitely do this somewhere where your pets aren't going to get into it or your kids. It's obviously toxic. So once they sat for 24 hours, I brought them inside, grabbed some Brillo pads, and just started doing some good old-fashioned elbow grease. This is the part that took some time. I think this took me about 15 minutes to actually scrub both of my oven racks and get them to where they looked somewhat decent. I do show you the end result. They were not perfect. I'm not going to pretend that they were, but they were 100% better. These are really old oven racks. I'm pretty sure my oven is like at least 15 years old, so it has a lot of, it's been used and abused, obviously. But I was really excited with the result. I think that it turned out well enough for me. I used 2 Brillo pads. I also got my Brillo pads from the Dollar Tree for $1 for a box of 12, I think. So definitely a budget-friendly, easy way to clean your oven racks. Once I got them to a point where I felt good about them, I just went ahead and rinsed them off in my kitchen sink. If you wanted to do this whole thing outside with your garden hose, 100% you could. But these are the end results of the oven rack cleaning. Like I said, they were not perfect, but they were definitely way better than what they were. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and of course I will see you guys in another video.